Hello kids, let's learn alphabets A to G. A. A is for apple. B. B is for ball. C. C is for cat. D. D is for dog. E. E is for egg. F. F is for fish. G. G is for goat. H. H is for hat. I. I is for eyes. J. J is for jam. K. K is for kite. L. L is for lion. M. M is for milk. N. N is for nest. O. O is for owl. P. P is for pig. Q. Q is for quail. R. R is for rat. S. S is for sun. T. T is for tree. U. U is for umbrella. V. V is for van. W. W is for water. X. X is for xylophone. Y. Y is for yak. G. G is for zebra.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.